first start thrifting, that you will know what you're going to thrift before going into the thrift store. That can help save time, and also can make you feel less overwhelmed when you're like going through everything and like, oh my gosh, there's like racks and racks of clothes. I like to thrift because it just kind of demonstrates your own personal style, and it also saves money too. And it's also good for the environment. When I first started out thrifting, I wore ripped jeans and a hoodie every day to school, and which is nothing's wrong with that, but it's just like the same thing. Everyone was wearing the same thing at school, and so after starting thrifting and finding my own style and finding new pieces, I can kind of stray from being like everybody else and kind of doing my own kind of thing. And fashion is totally like not putting labels on yourself and just expressing who you are, and so that's why, I don't know, I just don't have any labels, as you would say. My favorite piece is this leather jacket. Not very many guys wear leather jackets anymore. I know it was like a girl trend, but I wanted to find one because I think they're cool. They add texture to an outfit. And yeah, I found this one right here in this location. I do a clean out just to go through everything. If you don't wear it like in the past month, you probably can get rid of it. You can donate it to Goodwill, and then it'll give someone else a cool outfit, but also it won't go into landfill. So that's what I do pretty much every time I go thrifting. Personally, I have two relatives that are both disabled, and through working through their job, it's been giving them more independence, and they get something to do during the day, and also creates more of like equality among everybody throughout Alberta, which I think is so cool.